Sending an email campaign in HubSpot involves several steps to effectively reach your audience and track engagement. Navigate to Email Dashboard. Log into your HubSpot account and navigate to the Marketing Hub. Click on Email from the top menu. Create a new email campaign. Click on the Create Email button to start a new campaign. Choose a template or start from scratch. Design your email. Customize your email template by adding text, images, buttons, and other elements. Ensure it is visually appealing and matches your brand style. Set up email settings. Enter the email subject line, sender name, and email address. Configure other settings like reply to email and tracking options. Segment your audience. Select the audience segment you want to target for your campaign. You can use HubSpot's list segmentation tools to target specific contexts based on criteria like life cycle stage, persona, or behavior. Schedule or send immediately. Choose whether to send the email immediately or schedule it for a later time. HubSpot allows you to set the date and time for delivery. Review and test. Preview your email to ensure everything looks correct. Send a test email to yourself or team members to check formatting and links. Track performance. After sending, monitor the performance of your email campaign in HubSpot. Track metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Optimize and iterate. Use the insights from your email campaign analytics to optimize future campaigns. Adjust your approach based on what worked well and what needs improvement.